Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Izmirza bin Mustafa Kamal and I'm a final year student at University Putra, Malaysia. As you can see from that last video, projectile motion are fundamental in physics education. It helps the student understand the concept of motion, velocity and as well as acceleration. But traditional methods are often rely on manual measurement, which can lead to inefficiencies, human error and else. So my project is to create a setup that can measure and as well as calculate the data that needed for this experiment using Arduino Uno and as well as integrated sensor. So my project's objective is to create an automated system for projectile motion experiments as well as to enhance the accuracy and repeatability for this experiment. So as you guys know, in this experiment we require a RAM and as well as a steel ball. So the steel ball will be placed at the top of the RAM and being released. When it releases, the steel ball will be in the motion of conversion of energy from potential energy to kinetic energy, and then when it leaves the RAM, it will be in the projectile motion. That's what we need to study. When the ball is travel, when it leaves the RAMs and as well as the impact, we need to have the time taken measurement. So my idea is to use KY008 module and place at the RAM before it leaves the RAM, and then I will place IR sensor in the impact to detect when the ball will land. This will improve the accuracy of time taken, since projectile motion experiment the time taken measurement is less than 1 second, so it prone to human error, and this will help improve the accuracy. And as you can see from the result here, as you can see, the manual measurement have very time taken from 0.50, 0.48, 0.49, really inconsistent across 9 trials. But with my setups, as you can see here, my setups have time taken from 0.44 second and 0.45 second. It's really consistent throughout the 9 trials. How do I say my setup is more accurate than this manual measurement? So in this experiment, I have theoretical time taken, which I calculate using square root 2 times with the height over the gravity. So the height is 85.5 cm, and when I calculate this, it shows us the answer of 0.418 second and approximate to 0.42 second. You can compare which is closer, my result when I do it manually or when I use setup. Of course the setup is closer because it's 0.44 second, right? This will improve the time taken measurement for this experiment. Okay. This project introduced a novel approach by integrating sensor-based automation into classical physics experiment. The key benefits include improved accuracy to eliminate a human error in this experiment. Also, as educational impacts, it makes physics experiment more engaging and precise for students. It's not attract the students' passion for projectile motion, but as well as coding and else. So, the project has potential for academic recognition through research publications and participation in innovation competitions. It can be further enhanced with advanced sensor or AI-based data analysis. In conclusion, this automated system setup successfully optimized the projectile motion experiment by providing data for time taken more accurately and efficiently. By integrating this sensor, we take a step forward toward the modernize the experiment in education and also in the research fields. So, thanks for watching.